The battery right here is going to be operating an electric motor, which is right here, which is going to run 2 belt and pulley systems to 2 generators. One generator is this white generator, which is hooked up ultimately to a battery charger to charge up a second battery for use, while the second generator is generating the electricity that will power this motor right here. This white generator right here is initially, when run, not putting out much voltage and alternating current voltage too. So it has been hooked up to a full wave bridge rectifier, which will change the voltage over to 67 volts of direct current. Now 67 volts of direct current, of course, will ultimately blow up the inverter and battery charger. So the electricity from the rectifier is instead being sent now to a step down transformer right over here, this gray thing right over here, which will step down the voltage to 12.3 volts. The step down transformer will send the 12.3 volts of direct current to the inverter right over here, which will change it over to 120 volts of alternating current. The battery charger right here has been hooked up to the inverter, and when it is run, it will recharge a second battery. I will now show you the operation of the Invention. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record the voltages of battery number 1 and battery number 2. I'm going to turn on this multimeter right here. Battery number 1 is at 12.65 volts. I'm going to record that in the log right now. Battery number 2 is at 12.61 volts. I'm going to quick record that in the log. Now I am going to hook up the leads to the motor to battery number 1 and the leads to the charger to battery number 2. I'm first going to move this over. Okay. The basically gray lead is the negative lead, and that's going to go on the negative terminal of battery number 1. The red lead is the positive lead, and it's going to go on the positive terminal of battery number 2. Those have been done. Now I will hook up the leads to the charger to battery number 2. Done. And now I am going to turn on the Invention. There we go. The light on the inverter is on, which means it is running. And now I am going to record. I'm going to observe and record the voltage of battery number 2. Number 2 is now at 13.23, 13.2. The voltage of battery number 2 is at 13.24 volts. Okay, got that done. I'm going to record the increase of voltage. Done. Okay. Ooh, a little warm. Okay, clearly what has happened is while jet electricity has been made by this generator, the voltage of battery number 2 has gone up from 12.61 volts to 13.24 volts. Basically, the voltage has raised. and the invention has been a success.